And this is it, my friends. I found the problem. Look at that, it feels nice and solid. But when you spin around, see, it does spins a little bit. My hands are nice and clean, but I'm so happy I found this issue. $700,000 on a Sprinter. Just about the time to change harmonic balancer.